Hello traders, I will show you the trading strategy on expert option by using profitable indicators on Forex. Trading binary options are not easy, that's why you need trading psychology and certain trading indicators to be successful. Here are the previous trades, with almost 60 to 80% winning percentage. Just avoid trading on the news. Also, keep in mind the trading shortcomings or the fluctuations of the market. Better to gain knowledge on price reversals or the candlestick pattern. I will show you how I get these results. By simply using the MetaTrader system plus trading analytics. Before going further, please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification button to see new updates, trading strategies, and profitable trades. I am using Extremum signal. You can attach the indicator to the MetaTrader to function. Look at the chart, with almost 60 to 70 winning percentages. It is also good for martingale strategy, for 2 to 4 steps martingale. The indicator does not repaint. Its algorithm is special than others. It detects the possible trend area of the pair. Also, it can be traded with a 1 minute, up to 5 minutes expiration time. You can filter some of our indicators like the ultimate trend, or ultimate signal.